This is the final step in the complete wire harness processing equipment. Connector housing insertion. Inserting the wire harness with crimped terminals into the connector. This video demonstrates the speed and precision of the wire insertion. After the front end completes wire feeding, cutting, stripping, and crimping, the machine can simultaneously insert the wire harnesses into both ends of two connectors according to the set steps. The average speed is approximately 3.5 seconds per wire, and there is no fixed limit on the number of connectors, as long as the corresponding template has sufficient mounting positions.
按下那个转板啊，转板。提前了吗？还有这里时间2.9秒。
In addition to its high speed, this machine is equipped with two AI-powered cameras that photograph and compare the position of the wire harness before the robotic arm picks up the wires. The AI system then uses an algorithm to instruct the insertion system to adjust for any deviations in the actual position of the wire harness. There are always some deviations in the position of the wire harness head after crimping, significantly reducing insertion failures caused by traditional fixed mechanical positioning. Additionally, in situations involving multiple connector housing insertions, the excessive number of wires can cause entanglement and obstruct subsequent insertions. This machine incorporates a subtle but crucial supplementary action. After each wire is inserted, the module performs a slight up and down movement to spread and lower the wire bundle, creating space for the next insertion to be completed smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. We will continue to show more features of the wire harness equipment. If you have more ideas and suggestions, please leave a message in the comments section.